Okay, let's continue with using a calculator in trigonometry. Okay, right. So let's say you are asked to determine theta, given that cos theta is equals to, let's say you are given cos theta. They say determine theta given cos theta is equals to 0,3. So theta will be equals to arc cos. So that cos to the power of -1, we call it arc cos. So it's going to be theta is equals to arc cos of 0.35. So you take your calculator, you press shift first, and then you press your cos button, and then you press your number 0.35, and you close the bracket, and you press equal sign. So you press equals, and the answer will be 69.51. This is now the size of an angle theta. So the angle will be 69.51 degrees. Remember to put degree sign there. So this is also rounded off to 2 decimal places. Another example, let's say they say again determine theta, where you are given sine 2 theta is equals to 0.67. So it's going to be 2 theta. We solve for theta, which is going to be arc sine of 0.67 divided by 2. You press your fraction button on your calculator, and then you press shift, and then you press sine, then you press 0.67 and close the bracket, and press the close bracket button, and then you press the down arrow. You press the down arrow to go to the denominator on your fraction, and then you press 2 and you press equals, and then it gives you your answer, which is going to be 21.03 degrees. This is to 2 decimal places. Right. Another example, they say determine theta when you are given 4 tan open bracket theta plus 30 degrees close bracket is equals to 4 root of 3. So we solve for theta. First we divide both sides by 4, and then we say theta plus 30 degrees will be equals to arc tan of square root of 3, and then we say theta will be equals to arc tan of square root of 3 minus 30 degrees. You take your calculator, you press shift button, you press your square root sign, shift button, you press tan, and then you press your square root sign, you press 3, you press the right arrow to move out of the square root sign, and then you close your bracket, and then you press -30, and then you press your equal sign. You get your answer. In this case, it's going to be 30 degrees. Okay, so I hope that was easy and straightforward. So now what I want you to do is please go to exercise 3. Exercise 3, you see that it's on page, exercise 3 is on page 70, and you answer questions as required in your lesson plan.